Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce the way to build a store on the Kansha theme. This theme includes 4 pre-made styles. Just apply any style to get started. On the page builder, you can build your store content by combining BigCommerce's built-in widgets with our custom widgets. To install our custom widgets, first of all, you need to install our PapaThemes widgets app. Then, open the app in your store and click Install all the available widgets. As you can see here, you can add anything in Page Builder. The TrustPilot rating image is created using callout icons widget. The discount announcement is created using the HTML widget. The 4 icons are created using callout icons widget. You can totally edit the content directly in the page builder by selecting the icon and configuring the icon color, icon size, text color, and font size. The COVID banner makes use of the text widget with the blue background color. The main carousel can be configured in storefront, homepage carousel as noted in the theme documentation. The plain logo is using Flex Banners widget and its header is using Section Heading widget. You can edit the text directly in Page Builder. The service icons using callout icons widget. You can choose the available icon, upload your old image, or input the SVG image code directly. You can also duplicate the icon an unlimited numbers of times. With the category banners is created using Flex Banner widget. The number of banners per row can be set differently for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Let's go to General then Width to do so. The FAQ section is using the leaderboard banner widget. In the widget settings, you can design this section by uploading your custom image here, changing the banner height as well as customizing the heading, text, and button color. Move to the customer reviews section. It's created using customer review widget. You can edit the content directly and change the rating number in widget settings. In Follow Us on Instagram section, you can automatically display Instagram photos by using our free app Embed Instagram Feed in website, and then adding generated code to the HTML widget. All detailed instructions can be found in our theme's user guide. If you want to design a store, let's go to Theme Styles. As you can see, there are lots of different panels such as General, Header, Footer, Homepage, Products, and so on. In the General panel, you can configure typography, font, and font size and color of various elements such as text, buttons, ratings, and so on. Especially, you can use your own custom font on Adobe TypeKit or any Google font and enter it in the web front URL field. In the header panel, you can set anything of the header like logo position, the header background color, the user navigation, the topper, and the main navigation. Change the menu type to column, mega menu, or drop down. In the footer panel, the newsletter form can be customized by changing the heading, background color, text color, link, and button color. Main footer lets you to change the footer columns, background, text, and link color, show or hide the contact information, and enter your location or email and WhatsApp. You can also change the column heading here or allow to display any payment icons and configure the copyright section. In the home page panel, you can configure the order of sections such as featured products, new products, popular products, and recent blog on the other homepage. Select the show or hide the main carousel. Configure the main carousel color and the content position. There are many options for you to set the featured products, new products, and the best-selling products such as number of products, column, display type to grid or carousel. The background color, change the view all link or the product heading. Especially, you can design anything you want related to product in the products panel. In the Sport Demo Store, the swatches are displayed on every product card. To change product image, you can click on the swatch, and this is the special feature that we have included in our theme. It is possible to enable it in the theme styles, product panel, show swatch or rectangle options. You can also determine which option should be displayed only by entering the option name in Show Only Option Name field. You can also change the size of the swatches here. Besides that, we have other options related to product cards, such as Show Second Image on Hover, Show Add to Cart button, or show the border, as well as change the cell badges position to below image or top left corner on the image. In product cell badges, you can display discount percentage, label it, or hide it entirely. Set the text and the background colors of the badges. In condition badges, you can click Show Condition Badges to display badges. Moreover, you can display any custom badges by using the Product Custom field. On the category page, there is the Shop by Price display at the price slider. To design this page, you can go to Products panel in Theme Styles, then click Category Page and select Types of Shop by Price, Slider, List, or Hide it. Back to the main page, the Contextual search box lets you narrow down products in the current category as well as the current filtered results. If the phased search is enabled, you can configure it in Theme Styles, choose Products panel, Category page, and then select Show or Hide Quick Search in Category. If you want to buy multiple products at once, the bulk order layout allows to do so. It's very useful for the wholesale stores. To design it in Theme Styles, click on the Products panel. In the Category Page section, you can configure a number of products per page, product column, and number of items displayed on Shop by brand. This panel have an interesting feature called Frequently Bought Together that allows you to display products to purchase together. These products can be pulled out from related products similar by view products or specified products ID set in product custom field. The total price is also updated on the fly. Click on the Add to Cart button. We will add all the selected products to the cart at once, and the cart will pop up at the right side of the page. Besides that, the quick search form has been improved to display tab products, categories, and brand results. The theme displays very well on mobile and tablet. The UI and UX has been optimized to work great on mobile and touchscreen devices. The main navigation is designed very friendly on mobile.